Hello everyone, Elise here, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to fix the problem of the Apple ID is not active or verification failed on this Apple ID. So without any further ado, let's get started. In problems such as this, your first step should be to restart your phone or force restart. In order to do that, what you need to do is on the right side of your screen, when you're holding your phone upwards, click on the top volume button and then click on the power button on your right side. Over here it will come slide to power off, so just slide to power off and then long press your power button to turn on your phone again, so it will be turned on like this. The next step, what you want to do is you want to go to your settings and then you want to go to your software update and see if you have any software update available or not. If you do have a software update available, then update it now, or you can update it later tonight, and make sure that your software is up to date with your current version of your iPhones. And this is also a necessary step in the Apple ID verification. So the next step, what you want to do is you want to go to your screen time, then down you want to go to content and privacy restrictions and account changes, and make sure that this is always allow and it is not don't allow. If your phone has it on don't allow, then please change it to allow as well. So this is the 3 steps that you need to follow in order to make your Apple ID active, or your verification failed message will keep on showing. So it's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any more questions or comments, leave it on the drop box below. It's me, Ali, signing off, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.